Departments of Foreign Affairs and Labor and Employment are urged to jointly take steps to ease the plight of distressed OFWs in the Middle East. The details from Joy Gumatay.
Ex-OFW party list urged the Department of Foreign Affairs and Department of Labor and Employment to form a joint crisis management team that will cater the needs of laid-off OFWs because of the slumping economy of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. According to Congressman John Bertiz III, the representative of ex-OFW party list to the 17th Congress, more than 11,000 OFWs suffered from massive layoffs by large Saudi Arabian companies this year. Because of this, the legislator filed a resolution for the formation of a group that will coordinate with the OFW agencies in the Philippines and in Saudi Arabia.
As soon as possible, most probably right after the SONA, I'm already planning to travel to Saudi Arabia and Kuwait and most of the Middle East countries na may mga malaking bilang ng problemadong OFW. Ngayon, ang pinaka-immediate action namin is we're requesting a full report from the post kung ilan na ba yung mga workers na yan na nawalan trabaho.
The Joint Crisis Management Team aims to develop policies that will be able to initiate the provision of comprehensive repatriation and reintegration services for OFWs.
Yes, this is very urgent matter that has to be prioritized both by DFA and our Department of Labor under POEA. And then the problem is nung mga nakaraan nung nakaraan taon, sila pa rin yung mga workers na humihingi pa rin ng tulong hanggang sa ngayon.
Congressman Bertiz III believes that OFWs in Saudi Arabia are not the only ones who experience massive layoffs due to economic downturns. Hence, after the pilot implementation of this initiative in Saudi Arabia, ex-OFW will make sure that Filipino workers in Kuwait and Qatar will also be assisted. This is Joy Gumatay for PTV News.
Hi! Ako si Ria Fernandez. Mag-subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang ang subscribe button.